Now this is the part which is the easiest part. Reflection of sound. What type of wave is a sound wave? Longitudinal wave. What is the nature of longitudinal wave? When the origin and the propagation of the sound are parallel or in the same line. What are transverse waves? These we have done in 9th standard. When the propagation of the wave is in perpendicular direction to the origin of the wave. Origin ऐसा है, propagate ऐसे कर रहा है, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे, perpendicular हो गया कि नहीं? This is called as transverse waves. Light waves are transverse waves. और अगर यहाँ से source है, यही direction है propagation का, यही direction है source का, so these are called as longitudinal waves. My mechanical waves or my sound waves are longitudinal in nature. Understood? Okay. Do you remember? अच्छा, formula आपको याद नहीं होंगे. Easy way to recollect. Speed is equal to distance upon time. ठीक है? For a wave, try to recollect. For a wave, we have done this in 9. Once again, I am repeating. For a wave, wave velocity is equal to
lambda.
Distance मतलब क्या? Distance travel. अच्छा, what was distance traveled by a wave in one time period? Wavelength. So can I say S is nothing but lambda and T is nothing but time period? But we can also V is equal to lambda into 1 upon T, because 1 upon T is nothing but frequency. Do you know F is equal to 1 upon T and T is equal to 1 upon F? Time is measured in second, F is measured in per second or hertz. So can I also say V is equal to F lambda? याद आया अभी ये formula? Okay, great. Okay. Now let's come to echo. What is an echo? Now echo is when we are standing in front of a very tall or big object at a certain distance, we hear the sound after the original sound has ceased. मतलब मेरा जो original sound था, मैंने कुछ चिल्लाया, उसके बाद वो गया, मतलब it hit against a very large object like mountains, like big skyscrapers. It has to be a very large object. It goes and hits that object, comes back, and I can hear it. The distance, the sound existing in our system takes 0.1 second. मतलब I can hear my own sound that I have made for 0.1 second. So can I say the difference of the time should be more than 0.1 second for me to hear two distinct sounds, one originally coming from my mouth and one coming after reflection. 0.1 seconds होना जरूरी है कि नहीं? So what is echo? Once again, sound heard after a reflection from a distant object after the original sound has ceased to exist is called as echo. अभी have you felt echo in a open in a room or in the bathroom?
वो reverberation.
हाँ, कभी bathroom में या फिर खाली रूम हो, there are no absorbing medium. मतलब क्या हम लोग आवाज करते हैं तो ये सारे चीजें जो है ना, फर्नीचर, वॉल्स, ऑब्जेक्ट्स absorb that sound, तो उसको थोड़ा डल कर देते हैं. But if there are nothing around, just four दीवारी, then we can hear something like echo. But echo जैसा नहीं होगा. It's a continuous sound. Can I say? It's a continuous sound. So there is a difference between echo and this continuous sound is called as reverberation. Reverberation is, I will try to explain it to you like this. Let's say I have a small room. I am standing somewhere over here. So यहाँ पे गया, हाँ, 0.1 सेकेंड के पहले ही यहाँ से वाइब्रेट होके आ गया, यहाँ पर भी गया, यहाँ से भी वाइब्रेट होके आ गया, यहाँ पे गया, फिर यहाँ पे चला गया, चलो, फिर से यहाँ पे चला आया, फिर आया मेरे कान में. So can I say continuously I am hearing the same sound that is coming, that originally came out of my mouth? Continuously I am hearing. Why? Because one is reflecting from there, one is doing 3 times reflection, then coming to my ear. So a continuous sound will be heard. That continuous sound is called as reverberation. But what is an echo? Echo is if there is a big clip. Why do you need big clip? Because it has to be bigger than the waveform. मेरा wave भी complete होना चाहिए. Sound का wave are very big in size. So it has to be bigger than the wave. So here what happens? Sound गया, 0.1 seconds के बाद वो मुझे सुनाई दिया फिर से. So this one has ceased, then this one I hear. So there are two distinct sound. Here there is a continuous sound. कंटिन्यूअसली वो ऐसा कान में आता है।
एको में भी 0.1 सेकंड।
एको में ही 0.1।
तो फिर जो इसमें
यहाँ पे तो इसको कंटिन्यूअसली सुनाई देगा।
अपना दूर रहता है उस पर कुछ लाते तो इतना जल्दी कैसे होगा?
अरे 0.1 सेकंड के बाद आना चाहिए, मतलब इट कैनॉट बी between 0.09, it has to be after 0.1 second I can hear. If it is before 0.1 second, then I will hear it as the same sound. That's why for the sounds to be distinct from each other, it has to be 0.1 second. Okay? Is this clear? You had some question?
वो जब भी जाता है तभी थोड़ी नहीं आवाज आती है।
नहीं, जाते वक्त कुछ आवाज नहीं आती, जाते वक्त मुझे सिर्फ सुनाई देता कि मैं बात कर रही हूँ, फिर जाके
वो
it
आवाज
comes।
कैसे आएगी जाने की?
वही बता रही हूँ, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड follows the same laws of reflection of light. It goes, let's say it went there. There has to be a distance of, okay. Now ये यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आ गया? I'm just coming to that. Velocity is equal to distance upon time. Time is equal to time छोड़ो. Distance will be what? S will be v into t. ठीक है? अभी मुझे बताओ, डिस्टेंस इधर का अगर इधर से इधर तक d है, d, so total distance traveled by the sound wave is how much? d plus d. d plus d होगा कि नहीं? So can I say s is equal to 2d? समझ में आया? फिर से बताओ, यहाँ से क्लिप तक का डिस्टेंस अगर d है, तो मुझे सुनाई देने के लिए कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया वो साउंड ने? d plus d, 2d. Understood everyone? So can I say distance is 2d? So can I say d is equal to v into t upon 2? What is velocity of sound in air? 340, 330, 340. Time 340 है, 340 take up the higher range. t क्या है? टाइम कितने टाइम बाद सुनाई देना चाहिए? Upon 2. So this becomes 17 meters. So can I say the other cliff has to be at a distance of minimum 17 meters for me to hear the echo?
लेकिन एक ही बार ही आवाज सुनाई देगी ना जब भी वापस आएगा।
एक ही बार सुनाई।
और इसमें ज्यादा
इसमें तो कंटिन्यूअसली सुनाई देता है, इसमें कोई ब्रेक नहीं होता है। तुमने बात करना शुरू किया, तुझे कंटिन्यूअस तक जब तक इट गेट्स डैम्पेंड यू विल हियर। Yeah, this is a continuous voice. This is a distinct two sounds.
बाथरूम में जा और चिल्ला
नहीं मैडम, हिल्स वाले में एको होता है।
तो बट हमें को सुनाई ही देता रहता है।
सुनाई देता रहता है because बहुत हिल्स है ना। When you go to a hill, is there one single hill? There are so many hills and sound is going here also, there also, here also. इसका distance is say 17 meters पहला सुनाई दिया, वो 30 meters उसका बाद में सुनाई दिया। एक ही हिल है क्या? कि कौन सा हिल में जाते हो तुम? The number of hills and the distance is going to decide how many echoes you hear. One hill से एक ही बार echo आएगा, लेकिन जितना hill से ranges होता है ना, ranges से जितने जहाँ पे गया है वहाँ से सुनाई। All right? Okay. Conditions for echo: minimum distance should be 17 meters. अच्छा, ये air में 70 meters होना चाहिए। Water में क्या होगा? Water में speed क्या है? Speed of sound क्या है? Water में 1400 meters per second. So water में it will be 70 meters. Okay. Size of the reflector should be very large. Why? It has speed of sound in air. Air? इस दुनिया में?
Sound, speed of sound.
Which word? कहाँ पे? Take speed of sound as 320. वो उन्होंने से लेने बोला है. Speed of sound तो 1400 भी ले सकते हैं. In another body, which is water. So water में 70 meters के distance पे होना. Okay, quiet. Water में it will be a different distance at which I can hear it. Is this clear? Okay. Intensity should be in audible range. तो ऐसे बोला मन्नत, तो वो नहीं जाने वाला है वहाँ तक. समझा? जोर से जितना बोलोगे उतने जोर से सुनाई देगा आपको, क्योंकि it has to travel that distance. So can you imagine the amount of dampening that is going to be happening? So you have to be very loud. Okay? Reverberation. Reverberation. Small spaces always reverberation. Continuous आवाज आता है. Distinct आवाज होगा तो ही उसको हम echo बोलेंगे. Now you know the difference. Now what are the uses of echo? Please study it. Sonar. Sonar का क्या? What is the full form of sonar? Sound, navigation, ranging. Bats use this technology because they can't hear. Ultrasound create करते हैं उन लोग, and they can't see. So what they do? They produce an inaudible ultrasound. and ultrasound की वजह से it will come back from all obstacles. So the bat can completely find अपना periphery में up to like 20 meters what all obstacles are there at what distance where. Understood? It is also used in USG for whatever, stomach, wherever you have to. So sound travels, ultrasound travels inside, it can penetrate through skin. So we can find USG. Then when we use for echocardiography of heart, sound is used. और कुछ old buildings or I don't know if everyone knows this, but sometimes there are these ऐसे करके round ये रहते हैं staircases और नीचे से देखो तो पूरा ऊपर तक दिखता है, वहाँ पे echo
हाँ वही बोल
staircase मुझे लगा ऐसे सीन. चलो